Today, join me as Alpa City Suites welcomes the holiday season. They welcome the holidays by lighting up their Christmas tree and launching of their work from hotel packages. It is really nice to know that Cebu has more options now in adapting to their new normal work setup. And now, I'll give you a glimpse of the rooms that they will be offering for the work from hotel packages. And of course, Alpa City Suites enhance their health and safety protocols. So yes, this is the room guys. They have a small kitchen with appliances na. Then naapag yung table nga gamit yung kaayo for working. And the bed could be a queen size or pwede sag twin sharing. And of course, a big view also kung kapuyan kasigig tanaw sa imuhang laptop. So if you and a friend wants to work from a hotel, this is a very good deal. For 22,000 pesos, mag-divide by 2 lang mo. So it would be 11,000 pesos each. So try to imagine, it's like you living in a condo pero wala kay hunahuna-ong utilities. Wala kay bayranan kay apil na tanan sa 22,000 net per month. It also comes with a complimentary housekeeping once a week and of course napakay concierge service and security 24/7. And I am so glad kung bisag asa matamulingi makakita gyud tag reminders kung saan nato pag-protect atong kagalingon as well as how we protect others. And actually you can request also a UV disinfection in between housekeeping schedule to make sure you have the cleanest and the safest accommodation. And of course, why do we have to work from a hotel? Kaysa hotel na ayun ang high-speed internet. And with this, of course, dili na ka maghunahon na sa imong electricity and water bill. And looking at their food menu, it is quite affordable too. So, more din na kakinahanglan magpa-deliver pa. And actually, for me, it is not just only a work from a hotel package. With this view nga chill ra sa jud kaayo, di ka maghuna-huna og kuryente o bayranan jud nimo, it could be a long staycation also. Kanang matulog lang ka, mumata ka, mukaon ka, then chill dayon. Aside from the 22,000 per month package, here in Amos Cafe, they have a day use. So for 8 hours, you can use their high-speed internet, plus coffee, and a complimentary serving of cookie. And of course, they are serving an all-day breakfast too. Or actually, daghan sa yun ang naa silang menu. And take note na ko'y tip gamay. Tilawig yun ang ilahang salpikaw. And of course, I would suggest to please call for reservations or visit also their Facebook page for added updates. And as my reminder, always don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts. And let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!